Get out of my life, you freaking diabolical demons. Oh, hey guys. I didn't see you spying on me there. I've got a million flies buzzing around my head here in my truck. Do you know what diabolical means? These flies are diabolical. They're acting diabolically. Diabolical means evil, like Satan, relating to Satan. Okay, so the word diabolical means something relating to Satan or demons. These flies are evil, guys. I bought a new camera and I'm testing it out. Can you hear me okay? You can probably hear all these diabolical demons buzzing around my head. Sorry guys, I got distracted. I was trying to kill the flies with my Walmart bag. There's a free advertisement for Walmart right there. So that's what diabolical means. It's an adjective, or it could be an adverb if you add ly. Diabolically. So if someone acts diabolically, or if someone speaks diabolically, it's evil. These flies are inclined to be diabolical. These flies are inclined to act diabolically. Do you know what inclined means? I think one of the flies flew into my eye. The noun would be inclination. If you have an inclination to do something, that means you have a tendency to do it. You kind of want to do it, right? Like for example, if I say I have an inclination to eat chocolate before bed, that means I have a tendency to do that. So there's something in my heart or in my mind that kind of wants to go that way. I'm inclined to do that. So I could say I'm inclined to eat chocolate before bed. All right, so you can be inclined toward something or someone. You can be inclined to someone. If you like them, I'm inclined to, or like countries, for example, you could say I'm inclined toward Asian culture. I'm inclined toward Asian people. I'm inclined towards spicy food. Or you could be inclined toward volunteering. Okay, if you like volunteering, or maybe you have a friend named Frank, you could say Frank is always inclined to volunteer. Any opportunity he gets, he always volunteers. He's inclined to do that. You could be musically inclined. Okay, if you are musically inclined, that means you like music. You're probably talented. You just want to do it, right? You want to do music. You play a few instruments. People who are musically inclined usually play more than one instrument. They like music. They understand music. Or if you are artistically inclined, you could say, my daughter is artistically inclined. She loves art. She's always making, arts and crafts and paintings and sculptures or whatever. My screen keeps going off, guys. Does that mean I stopped recording? I hope not. So does that make sense? So yeah, like these flies that are buzzing around my head, they are inclined to to be diabolical, to act diabolically. I hate flies. So evil, you know. What are you inclined to do? What are you inclined toward? You know, I hope you're inclined to smash that like button on my videos. You could say, Mark, I'm always inclined to smash the like button on your videos. That means, you know, maybe you forget a few videos, but you have a tendency to remember, and you have a desire to do that. Or maybe you are inclined to leave a comment down there. I would love to read your comment. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. I hope you're not diabolical. I hope you are not diabolically inclined. That would not be good. I'm not diabolically inclined. I'm inclined to you. I'm inclined toward you, to be nice to you, you know. What other examples could we make with inclined? I don't know. It just means you have a natural tendency to do something, anything. But it's kind of a gentle pull. It's not like if you say I'm inclined to, if you say my friend John is inclined to fly first class on when he travels. Does it mean he always flies first class? No, maybe not. He's kind of inclined to do that. So maybe most of the time, or maybe he'll choose it if it's within his price range. You know, so if maybe he finds a good ticket, he's inclined to fly first class. But maybe you don't fly for first class. Maybe you're inclined to always fly economy class. So maybe even if you could get a good price on a first class ticket, you don't want to spend that extra money to fly first class because you're not really inclined to do that, right? So guys, let me know how is the audio on my new camera. It's the Insta360 Go Ultra. What a name. Insta360 Go Ultra. So let me know if you can hear me okay. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.